going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is kind of like an unexpected type of video. So what we're doing is putting new exhaust on the Evo 10. And ironically enough, we are putting the 100% identical exact same exhaust that we run on this car onto this car. And this was not planned, meaning I was not planning to put new exhaust on this car ever. But one of the boys hit me up and said they wanted a single exit. So what's on here right now is an Apexy catback. And they have an ETS catback, which is the dual tip, which I personally think it looks a little bit cleaner. That's how it looks, the dual tip. With the single exit, you just have an empty hole on one side, which it's not a terrible look, but I just think the dual exit is a little bit cleaner. We're gonna be going for a little rip real quick. I wanna show you guys how it sounds right now. And I think the ETS is gonna be a little bit louder, but nonetheless, I think it's gonna look a little bit better, even if it's the same loudness. It's gonna look a little bit better in my opinion. And he wanted a single exit. So let's go ahead, get a little cold start for the boys, and then yeah, go for a rip, show you guys how she sounds, come back to the shop, get the car in the lift, pull the exhaust off, throw it in the truck, and go meet up with the Spans and trade them. Day late, dollar short.
Frick, I can't find my keys.
Maybe they're under your diaper.
What the frick?
The car actually sounds really good. When you're outside the car, it's decently loud. It's not bad. It's nothing like the half wrap 10, but she still sounds really good. You like it?
Yeah, I really do.
Okay, we got the car up in the air. This exhaust is very easy to remove. One hanger there, and 2 bolts connecting it to the test pipe. And the whole thing will drop off. Might need your help, actually. You wanna come down here and you're gonna have to hold some shit.
Oh!
You got it?
I can't get it.
Maybe unbolt it.
Please no.
Push it my way. Baby, it's probably like 5 pounds. You're tripping. Heavy?
Well, I was a little scared at first.
All right, we got the exhaust off. I'm gonna go meet up with the Somi and swap it out for the ETS. Okay, here's what we ended up with. A dual exit ETS, quiet. Same exhaust we run on the 10. Bobby's gonna help me install it. Come on down. Really curious to see how she's gonna sound. Hopefully it sounds good.
Devin starves me, everybody. Isn't that right, babe? Tell him.
Yes. Ready for this? It's a little bit heavier than the last one. Pull your end that way. A little more. Beautiful. Okay, now let's get rid of that. Make sure we get clearance. Yes, we do.
Do you mind handing me a towel?
Get a little wet.
Yeah.
Your water good. It was shipped, but I got past the shipped part. All right, guys, we got it all mounted up. I like it. Looks beautiful. So a little smushed in right here, as you guys can see, but so are all of my other exhaust systems from having lowboy cars. Other than that, nice and clean. She cleaned up very nice. Let's get her on the ground, see how she sounds. Ready?
Never been readier.
More ready would be the proper terminology on this situation. Come do the honors, baby.
Okay.
Let her eat. It looks clean. I love how a dual exit looks. Come look at it first of all. It really fills the hole in the bumper.
Does fill the hole pretty well.
That's not the only hole.
Honey.
Ah, that's my fat roll. First cold start for the boys on an FBO Evo 10 with an ETS quiet version.
Ready?
Please be a little bit louder. Please be a little bit louder. Sounds the same. Let her eat it just a touch. I like the raws up front. Yeah, I would say it sounds, I don't know. It's probably about the same. Maybe a tiny bit louder, maybe a tiny bit quieter. Can't really tell. What?
Honey. It can't be the same quieter and louder all in one.
Well, it's
what you're meaning to say is you can't tell, but it sounds nearly the same.
It's within a 10% variance.
Okay.
All right, let's go rip it. So yesterday when we first fired it up, I thought it sounded about the same, and it kind of does, you know, right, Bobby?
Yes.
When you first fire it up. But when you go rip on it, it is probably, I would say, a solid 30% louder. It sounds better, it looks better, it's a win-win. Anything else to add to the situation?
She farts a lot. Oh. Okay, I don't want to add that in.
I know today was a short video, guys. Life goes on. If you guys,
You look so depressed.
I am. I don't like short videos. I will have this exhaust link down below. You can get it off MAP for like $1,000. It's not a bad deal. Kind of expensive. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.
Look at that little eyes and his white little teeth first.